Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to sell domain on Porkbun Marketplace. So step number 1, log in. You should arrive at the domain management screen. Click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate the domain you wish to list for sale on Marketplace. To the right of the domain is a row of icons. Click the $sign icon all the way on the right under the market column. On the menu that appears, select the Sell Domain on Marketplace option. You will be presented with another menu that allows you to create marketplace listing. You can set the price $20 minimum to $100,000 maximum. Determine whether you want a parking page and contact form, and create a sales blurb that will display on your site. If you choose to use the parking page we provide, you can set the domain display option, which will let you capitalize any part of the domain name you want. Continue filling out the marketplace listing as desired. If you enable the contact form setting, you can set a minimum offer, allowing prospective buyers to contact you with an offer. If you get contacted with an offer below your buy price that you're willing to accept, you'll need to manually adjust the price of the listing so your buyer can purchase the domain directly. You can choose to write a sales blurb that will appear on the site, or you can have an AI generated blurb created for you using keywords related to your domain. Once everything is set up how you want it, click on the submit button and you'll see a browser pop-up asking you to confirm one more time that you want to list the domain for sale. Click the OK button to continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching.